In the great Rift Valley of Africa, 750,000 years ago, the force of fire and ice formed the tallest freestanding mountain in the world, Mount Kilimanjaro. Have you ever dreamed about standing on the roof of Africa? Peak Planet is the premier outfitter for climbing Kilimanjaro. We have the highest success rates and customer satisfaction, professional, experienced guides, high-quality equipment, and an intense focus on health and safety. Consistently recognized as one of the best operators on Kilimanjaro, with the passion and capabilities to make your dreams come true. Climb with Peak Planet, the best guides on Mount Kilimanjaro.